Okay, this is the 4.2 test review of polynomial arithmetic. You're going to do awesome. We'll do the first four. The first part is factoring. Okay, so we're going to factor a to the second minus 13a plus 40. This is pretty simple. There's no coefficient in front of the a squared. First step is to write your factors of 40. 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 4 times 10, 5 times 8. Remember, you could get these on the calculator. Now then, we're going to draw two sets of parentheses. Our first sign drops. Now then, we want to add and get 13 with these factors. Which factors add up and give us 13? It's going to be the 5 and the 8 in it. I'm going to put my letter first, so A and A. We're going to use 8 and 5. Put your largest factor first, second factor last. Now then, what did we do with the 8 and 5 to get 13? We added them up, right? If you add up the 8 and 5, the signs will be the same. So we're going to have A minus 8 and A minus 5. The last sign tells you if the signs will be the same or different, and if to add or subtract these factors. Let's go to this one. There's no coefficient in front of the a squared, so we're going to write the factors of 21. Pretty simple. There's just 2. Okay, draw your parentheses. Drop the middle sign. Now then, we want to add factors. The last sign tells you to add or subtract. We want to add them up and get 10. Which ones add up to 10? The 7 and the 3. So my letter's A. I'm going to put A and A. And then the 7 goes first, the 3 goes second. I added up the 7 and 3, so the signs will be the same. If you subtract, these signs will be opposite. Okay, let's go to number 3. Write the factors of 1 and 5. It's just 1 and 5, isn't it? 5 is prime. So I'm going to write my parentheses. I'm going to drop the middle sign. Now then, I want to subtract and get 4. Subtract and get 4. The 5 and 1 subtracts and gives us 4, doesn't it? Put your letter M down. And then we're going to use the 5 and the 1. Since I subtracted the 5 and the 1, my signs have to be opposite. So if that's negative, this is going to be positive. Piece of cake. Let's write down the factors of 36. There's a lot of them. 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. It's about the most you'll have. Draw your two parentheses. Drop the middle sign. Put your letter down, X and X if you want. Now then, we want to add and get 15. Add and get 15. Which set of factors adds up and gives us 15? The 3 and the 12 work, don't they? Put the largest factor first. Now then, we added the 12 and 3 to get 15. If you add, the signs are the same. So if that's minus, this will be minus. Piece of cake.